Hey guys, welcome back to Poké Lovers World. Today we are again playing Pokemon Stone Dragon. So in the last episode I reached Obscure and got Trico, and I named him Gecko because how cool this looks. So now I have Infinite, Drapion, Shades, Lance and Gecko on our team. Okay, so what shall we do with Gecko? I don't have an XP share, so what I'll do is, guys, I'll see you guys at Juvia City, because at Juvia City is the place from where we have to continue our rest of the journey. So guys, I have reached Juvia City, and now from here we have to go to the route that the policeman was standing, because now that route is clear. Yeah, that route is clear. Okay, so let's go. Who? Lance? What is Lance doing over here? Okay, I guess I have to battle him. Okay, I'm ready, Lance. I will be really happy to fight an Elite Four like you. It's my pleasure, Lance. I'm sorry if you get defeated by me. Extremely sorry if you get defeated by me. Actually, okay. So Lance has used a super potion. I'll use my Hydro Pump and kill him. Yeah, boy, Dragonite is dead now. One more to go. Gyarados. Okay. I'll give Trico some experience by keeping him ahead. Not at all. Trico is not going to fight right now. The rest of the fight is going to be handled by our Lance or our Dragonite. Let's go. Okay. Oh, Hyper Beam, no. Wing Attack. Yeah, boy. Loser. What? Didn't I? Once again, guys, I'll defeat him and see you guys. I defeated that grunt guys and Lance. What am I saying? Okay. Gecko grew to level 16 right now. So I am having a Grovyle right now. If your Trico grows by less levels, I will share the cheat codes also of this game after we complete this. Okay? That's the deal. Out. Oh! Sorry, I pressed the B button. I'll evolve him and see you guys. Guys, I could evolve my Trico into Grovyle over here in the grass. Just joking, I went back a bit because here there are strong Pokemon. What? Only 19 level? That's what I thought. That's why I went back. Oh, an Eevee. I'm catching that. So now let's go from here, guys. Oh, a Sneasel. Let's catch him. Guys, I could not find anything over here, but now I could find that Rocket Grunts are hiding from us over here. So I'm not gonna leave them at all. And guys, by the way, tomorrow an Imagica vlog is coming on my channel. So do watch it. Not live, but it's just coming on my channel. You can watch it anytime you want. Tomorrow I'm basically going to Imagica and having fun for some time, because my holidays have started. So make sure you see that vlog of mine. Okay. So let's go, Lance. I'm just going to show you how Imagica looks and leave it. Okay. Heliolix list is down. Guys, I guess the vlog will come because I have to ask the Imagica people to shoot a vlog. If it doesn't come, I don't know. I'm not sure. It may come or it won't come. Okay, so let's go. Oh, shit. Greninja has to recharge, but for what reason? Finally, I have reached 84. Who is next? Vaporeon. Tail Whip. That is not gonna work. Let's bring in our new Grovyle for some time. Let's see what Grovyle does. No! Cheaters! Don't attack my Grovyle. I'll show you. Let's go, Drapion. Slam! Guys, I've noticed one thing, that this Raichu is not getting hit by us. Don't know for what reason. A Staraptor. You know what? I remember my Staraptor. And Staraptor is going to be in our final team. Okay, guys? Because I really love Staraptor. He's my favorite flying type Pokemon. I'm extremely sorry to kill you, Staraptor. But this stupid Raichu won't stay for more time. Bye-bye. Yeah, boy. Who's next? A Pidgeot. Okay. Oh! Sorry, Staraptor. I'm extremely sorry to kill you. Now it's your turn, stupid Pidgeot. By the way, Pidgeot is my second favorite flying type. So I'm really angry on these people. They have, I guess, purposely taken these two so to stop me. I will be like, no, my favorite Pokemon. How will I defeat them? And they'll defeat my whole team. That's not going to happen, stupid rockets. Rocker Leticia. Okay. I don't know if I pronounced well or not. Okay, let's go from here. Another rocker? What are you rockets doing over here? Oh, wait a minute. Is Giovanni over here? Tell him. Giovanni, tera baap samne hai. Go tell him, go. Because now Giovanni is going to rip off, guys. I'm seriously going to murder him. How can they do such kind of things? Okay, you have a Sceptile. Oh, I have a Grovyle. It didn't evolve, it will. But your Sceptile will never get the win. Yeah, boy. Who's next? A Torterra. Okay, a Torterra is coming up. Infernape. So let's see a Sinnoh versus a Sinnoh. I know you're going to defeat him, Infernape. Next up is Superior. Well, I thought next up was Superior, but next up is a Staraptor. I will kill him with an eruption. Dab. That is so cool, guys. Okay. Who's next? Guys, you know what? I'll defeat all the rockets in CU because there are too many rockets. Okay. So, guys, I'm back. I defeated all these grunts. Now, let's fight Giovanni. What are you doing here, rocket grunt Giovanni? Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say grunt. Okay. If you want to battle me, I'm ready. Mewtwo and Zekrom. Okay. Greninja and Gecko. Go. Hydro. What? Bubble Beam on the Zekrom and Purse. No. Shit. Gecko is gonna die. I mean faint. Not a Nuzlocke. Shit, bro. Shit. Holy crap. Now let's go, Lance. I will defeat you. Because I have might. And which you certainly don't have, Giovanni. What? That's cheating. Wait. Bloody cheater. Bubble Beam. Ripped. Was it sounding like some Kawal or something? I just sang it for Mewtwo. Now for Zekrom. Okay. Rocker Giovanni is defeated. Move aside, loser. Yeah, boy. Where am I? Rota 8. Okay. So I made my way towards Rota 8, guys. Okay, let's go. From here. So we are back over Obscure. I guess I'll end my part over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments which new game shall we play next. Okay guys, bye.